Welcome to Story Time with Blooming Buds. The story's name is Santa's Surprise by Keith Faulkner and Jonathan Lambert. It's a pop-up storybook. Santa hurried out into the snow to search for his missing reindeer. He couldn't find his lead reindeer, so he was looking around for him. There he is in that bush having a snack. Santa laughed. I can see his red nose. Is that the reindeer? You may need to clean your glasses, said the elves. That's the toe of your boot. That's not the reindeer. Maybe he's gone inside, said Santa as he went back into his workshop to look for his missing reindeer. You naughty reindeer! So that's where you've been hiding. I can see your red nose behind the Christmas tree. Do you think that's where the reindeer is? Whose glasses are you wearing? Asked the elves as Santa rushed up and grabbed a shiny red ornament from the Christmas tree. Was that the reindeer? No, it was a Christmas ornament. I haven't tried looking in the kitchen, thought Santa. Mrs. Claus was busy baking when Santa rushed in looking for his reindeer. He saw something round and red across the steamy kitchen. That reindeer will be too full to fly, Santa chuckled. Is that the reindeer? The elves laughed. You must have your reading glasses on. That's a cherry cake. Santa wondered how he would deliver all the Christmas gifts without his lead reindeer. Just then, someone knocked at the door. Knock, knock. Oh dear, Santa sighed. It's just a snowman with branches for antlers and a tomato nose. That's just a snowman. But when the snowman stepped inside, all the snow fell away. There stood Santa's missing reindeer. I'm sorry I'm late, he said, but I've brought you a gift. We're always so busy on Christmas Eve that everyone forgets you, Santa. So I brought you a gift. Can I open it now? Asked Santa. I wonder what it could be. Inside was a beautiful new pair of glasses. Just what I needed, Santa cried. He put them on and the elves cheered. Santa smiled and thanked the lead reindeer. With my new glasses, I'll be able to find all the children and make sure they have gifts on Christmas morning. Then Santa and his reindeer quickly sailed off across the night sky. Santa's Surprise by Keith Faulkner and pictures by Jonathan Lambert. It's a Brainwave publication. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed this video. The end. Please like and subscribe and follow for more such videos. Bye bye.